2022 Lexus RX350H YF refrigerant. Now, this is a small capacity system. It's YF, but it's only 520 grams of YF refrigerant. ND11 oil. There's the year, engine of the vehicle, so you know different countries are different. You always can't go buy the sticker in one country and say, hey, give me the fill amount charge, but I'm over in this country, because it might be different. I get asked that a lot. And I give guys what I find as a refrigerant charge when they ask me from other countries, but I tell them, I go, yours might be different. Okay, so what do we got going here? So we're gonna charge this one up. Got it down to 92 grams, the field piece software. So you data log and record, and it actually gives you the time readout. So if you're a customer and you ask for such a thing, how long did you have it on the vacuum pump on my vehicle? And anybody can write down anyone and say a lie, whatever, you know, fib a little bit, extend the time. You're actually data logging, and it's reading off the time in which this was performed, how long. If you have technicians who like to cheat a little bit and you're wondering why they have so many comebacks, you can actually tell how long they did every procedure, because you can read this from your office. If you're a manager, service writer, or the owner of the company, every one of your techs that have one of these, you can see each one of their gauges and what they're doing on your screen in your office on all your technicians. So nobody can fib. And if you see anybody having a hard time, they can't diagnose something, they don't have a lot of experience, you as the owner with more experience and more technical skill, you could see they have, you could walk out and give them a hand and point them in the right direction, hopefully. So let's go over, somebody asked me again about billing. So let's go over to billing. So I got this one here and the one behind me. And where are we? Come on, QuickBooks, why can't I find you? Because I got sun in my face, and I think you guys see nothing but a bunch of glare because we're out here. Okay, so I'm on this vehicle here. I just did the Ford Connect over there. They're both YF vehicles. Oh shoot, this one doesn't have air conditioning working in it. God dang it. Okay, well, I'm trying to get in the shade so you guys don't have God damn it, got glare here too. Here I am, I'm trying to get you guys where there's no glare. Here, under the tire of a car. Almost, still got glare behind us. Cancel. Come on, up, let me do that. So, using QuickBooks. And today, come on, today, where are you? Invoices. And I don't want that. Cancel invoices. So if you're a little one-man shop, you don't need no fancy software. Let's look for today, last 30 days, or actually this month. There we go. Auto Collision Center. So here is this vehicle right here. What do I got? So we got a Lexus 2022 RX450. That's this one right here. And you got your labor charge, book time 1.4 hours. So that's at $104 an hour. That's $285. You have, you know, your supplies, materials, oil, refrigerant. 1.146 pounds of refrigerant at $207.66 a pound. That's $237. When I was in here the other day and I recovered the refrigerant, that's 0.4 book time, 81.4. So for this Lexus, you're at $605. And then the other one, I just did the Connect over there on the other side of the slot. I had 2 vacuum pumps on and 2 gauges at the same time. And we're still 0.4, the recovery, 8160. And you can see the pressure decay test, the vacuum decay test, and a printer. The customer gets a printout of the pressure decay test, the vacuum decay test, you know, the parts. And actually, that's not right there. That 8250 has to come off. The refrigerant, $375. And why? because that's a dual evaporator on the Transit Connect, and that was 1.81 pounds at $207.66. So refrigerant comes out to $375.86. And the Denso oil, I didn't charge for the Denso oil. That's part of my parts. Tracer dye. Leak test into 45 is 45 milliliters. That's what that is. That's not a price. That's milliliters. Leak test and recharge, of course, 1.4, $204 an hour, 25. So on that Transit Connect, $825, but it has to be minus this $82. So this $82 right here is coming off. That doesn't belong there. And that's Transit Connect. And so QuickBooks, you can put all this stuff into your QuickBooks, and it's really easy. All right, guys, that was it for that, because I just use QuickBooks. It's not expensive. It's mobile. It's in the cloud. It's 25 or I think it's $35 now a month. And I have the parts recording where every part I have. So let's say I sold this little emblem, and another time I sold this little bushing, the little crest connect right here. God damn it, I can't think of the goddamn name. But when you purchase these items, you can take a picture of it and save it in your QuickBooks, put the part number, the supplier, where you got it, what price, your markup on it. Everything could be put into QuickBooks. And over the years, you develop your own catalog of parts and your suppliers and what different prices you get it at from all your different suppliers, your markup, your markdown, all that kind of stuff. All that, I do it all through my phone. I actually don't do my paperwork on my tablet. I should, but I spent so many years going paperless through my phone. I just got used to using my phone all the time, and that's what I do. So I'm gonna fill this up now. We're down to 89 microns. I think that's good enough to go. And I'll see you guys later. It's a little hot and roasty out here.